Hi, this is Yvette Lianes. Let me tell you something. Do you know that the valediction at Hillcrest, the author itself wants to prove or wants to express himself about the place he currently living? He also describes it. He have a lot of memory in that place. So, saying goodbye to that place really means a lot to him. He also felt bittersweet because somehow that place gave him comfort for several months. Saying goodbye to that particular place means a lot to him. He also compared it to a snow, that when the snow melts, everything will go back from the beginning, just like his situation. After several months of staying away from his country, that day will come and he will go back here